Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the TikTok dance named Toxic Remix, aka Shaxicula, Shaxicula. Anyways, it's the most fun dance I've done in a while, so a big thanks to Sophie for creating this awesome dance. If you don't know who she is, go check out her stuff. I'll post her name somewhere here. Now, this is a super fun dance, and it's actually not that advanced, but it is super fast. So if you're not used to dancing that fast and not that experienced, then I have some great tips on how to deal with that that I'll explain at the end of the video. Okay, to make it as easy as possible, I'm gonna break it into 3 parts. Well, actually, that's also the intro. Probably don't need to explain that. You just do this on 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first part that comes right after that, let me just show you a quick preview, is this part. Tap, 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 tap. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, let me break it down for you. The footwork is you want to do heel toe. What I mean by that is you want to jump on your heel with your right and toes on your left. So like that, all right? From here you go, boom. Now you don't have to exaggerate, right? Just keep it in here, whoop. And then you want to jump back to the starting position, and then you want to go opposite. So now the left is on heel, right is on toes. And then you jump back. And then you just repeat this 6 times. So what I mean by 6 times is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Let's just try that. We're gonna go slow. 5. I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Okay, now the arms. So the arms are saying, put your hands on your shoulders here, cross, and then you want to go here. Yeah, so to your right, your arm is like that, your left is here, and then you just want to switch. You go to the other side, hello. Yeah, the next thing you want to do is go point up to the sky, Mr. Dancing. All right, from here, you want to go opposite, yay. So let me just rewind. Your arms are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of course, there's an and count between, right? So what you want to do is and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and. All right, let's just try and practice that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Now feel free to practice the legs or the arms a bit more if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, then let's try and combine it, all right? So what you want to do is you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Let's just try with me one time. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Okay, let me just try it one more time, a bit faster. Again, you feel free to practice on your own if you need to. All right, so from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. All right, moving on. Let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. So, boom, boom, down, clap, boom, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let me explain. So, right after this part, you want to jump down and go open up your arms, and then you just jump up and say clap. Pretty simple, right? Now from here, it's the belly bounce dance move. And here you want to take a step out with your left. Yeah, that is, prepping before you go up, in, down, here. Basically what you want to practice is doing this. Boom, 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 boom. Once you can do this, notice how I'm up on my toes. And just show it from the side. Boom, 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 boom. Once you can do this, you want to try and lift, up, lift, up, lift, up, lift, up. Try using some chair if that helps, because then you can take up some of the weight and then you can just practice the legs. Boom. Lift, down, lift, down. Remember, practice this and then lift one foot at a time. Now, if this is too hard for you, the belly bounce, you can basically just do this, right? Up to you, or just don't lift that high. Whoa. Okay, so let's just try and practice this new part here. So we want to go from here. We want to jump down, up, and then we go step left, boom, up, boom, up, boom, up, boom, up. All right, should be 8 counts. So what I'm doing is I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's just try that from here. We want to jump down on 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go jump 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, moving on to the last part. And the last part is, so right after belly bounce, you want to go and whoop, whoop, shimmy, shimmy, whoop, whoop, and the end. Now, let me explain. So what you want to do is, because you ended here, you can also do less belly bounce. So end this one maybe on 6, and then you have a small break before you start doing this. I see some people do it, all right? But anyways, if you're ending on 8, you need to jump right away and go jump on left, kick your right back, all right? Like that. So I went from here, belly bounce here. I want to jump switch, whoop. Yeah, so I'm grabbing my right here, and then my left is behind my head. And then I basically just want to do these, arch my back here, contract. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, I only do 2. So I jump back, and then I go here and here. So 2 of those. Right after that, you just go back down and go shimmy, shimmy to the front. And then you do another 2. Whoop, 1, 2, and the end. So let me just recap here. This last part was right after belly bounce. You jump right away. Whoop, 1, 2, shimmy, shimmy, 1, 2, and the end. So just practice this part with me one time. So we want to end like this, and then we go jump. All right. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, shimmy, shimmy, 1, 2. Let me just try and show you this part from the side. Yeah, so you can see how it looks. So it goes 5, 6, like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, shimmy, shimmy, 1, 2. All right, now time for the full dance recap from the tip to top. So the intro is wavy, wavy. New. From here, you want to jump your toe from side to side, and your arms go cross here, back, and then other side, back, and then you go right hand, serve, back, and then the other hand, serve, back, and now you go dancing man, way, and opposite. And from here, you want to jump out, arms go out, and then you go jump up, back. From here, you want to do belly bounce, starting with the left, go step, step, up, step, 6, and the last one. From here, we want to jump directly into this one. 1, 2, go shimmy, shimmy. Again, 1, 2, that's it. Now, the timing goes, so this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. That's it. All right, guys, time to practice. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6. Let's actually do the intro. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. We go 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing. That's it. Alright guys, before we move on, before we increase the speed, I just want to give you some tips. So one thing you can do to do this fast is just do the things way smaller, alright? So instead of going whoa, 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 you just want to do it very subtle. So just keep it in here. Boom, boom, boom. Then you can do this much faster than if you had to do this. Alright? The same goes for the arms. Instead of going, you know, whoa, whoa, you can keep it in here. Alright? Another way to cheat is just by not doing this heel toe like that. Alright? So you can basically just do the heel part. Right? So you can do this much faster than doing, right? Because you need to jump if you do heel toe. Alright? So this one is another way. Alright? Alright, so let's go one last time a bit faster. We're gonna start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's it. So now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it super fast. Alright, so that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Shaxicula dance on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.